What's up, guys? Welcome to Big Market Ventures. How's everybody doing today on this wonderful Monday afternoon? I'm just on here because I just want you to take a ride with me, while I go pick up my daughter. We'll see what's going on the roads and, any type of, construction updates that are going on around the Chesterfield Airport area. Looks like they're coming along really well with that sheets over there by the courthouse. So come follow me. We'll ride around. This will be a little short, quick vlog, and yeah, let's roll. So it's turning out to be a nice, wonderful Monday afternoon. About 60 degrees outside. Got a little breeze going on outside. So if you're used to or wanting warmer weather, today's a nice day to be outside. If you're one of those that are still kind of cold-natured, you might want to maybe a light jacket or sweater would do. But other than that, to me, shorts and a t-shirts, you'll be fine. And it seems like they're taking forever on that sheets on the corner of that courthouse, on Courthouse Road, across the street from the courthouse. I think they're still laying some of the groundwork around the outside of the buildings and stuff like that. I think the building itself is done, but I think they're still working on the parking lots and, probably some piping underneath or whatnot, because there's still a lot of dirt and excavators. I wonder what this is going to be over here on the right hand side. People right here are telling me it's going to be a Wawa, but we already have two on Route 10. Probably one about a mile up that way, and one a couple miles down this way, going towards Chesterfield. So I don't know why they need to put a Wawa right there. It might be another gas station, but I tell you something we don't need. We do not need no more storage units around here. Good God, every block I drive around town, they're always popping up storage units. Always popping up storage units. Like we need any more storage units. Sorry for the wind noise. I got the window cracked. Go ahead and close that and just turn the air up a little bit more. Yeah, I think what they're planning on doing in Chesterfield County along Route 10 is they're going to try to build it up like Midlothian. And all these businesses and restaurants. They need more hotels down through here for sure, because there's not a hotel around here until you get towards the town of Chester. Around where Jeff Davis and Route 10 meet, in that little area. So there's not a hotel for quite a for a few miles anyway, or several miles to be exact. So I think what would be a good idea is over down here by past the courthouse and stuff. Well, hell, even on the corner right there, close by the sheets, they should build up some like a strip mall with some restaurants, some bars, and maybe a couple of hotels around there. I think it'll get some more people in this area. Creates more jobs too. See if I can take you off the thing here real quick. I don't know if you can see the sheets real good. It's pretty much almost done. Still got a little work to do. Yeah, I think over in that field to my left, that's where they should put up a couple of hotels and the strip malls and stuff like that. Plus, in the summertime, you'll be a close walking distance to the county fairgrounds too. I'm sure they're gonna probably put some more, government complex around here as well. I don't think it's all gonna be like civilian stuff. They'll throw some, county government stuff around through here too as well. I'm guessing. Almost a little tight fit going through over there by coming into the school. So we'll just sit here and wait until she gets off the bus, probably another 5 minutes or so. Yep, we're at Lloyd C. Bird High School right here. All the buses will pull in right there. She's coming from Thomasdale. Back on the console. So guys, that was just a little update on the Chesterfield area around Chesterfield Air Park and L.C. Burr High School. Because, you know, as you saw in the video clip, they're building a lot of, I'm not going to say it's going to be housing or anything, but possibly might be some gas stations, maybe a hotel or two or whatnot, gas stations and things like that. Maybe a few government complex buildings, like we need those. But yeah, they're slowly progressing, and I think within the next year or so, it's going to start looking more and more like Midlothian Turnpike. Because if you go Midlothian Turnpike out towards Powhatan, they done really amped up that area. It's really looking nice out there, looking less country and more urban out that way. And I think that's the same plan they're going to do here. So that's my thoughts on it. If you like what you see on Big Market Ventures, I'd do more than just, you know, videotape construction updates. I started to do a little bit of storm chasing here and there. I did a couple, you know, vlogs on the channel with the winter weather update and stuff like that. So you can go check those out on the channel. I'll vlog theme parks when I go, grave sites, museums, putt-putts. You know, there's some fun activities, you know. There's just like a lot of random stuff on this channel. Now my other channel, Big Mark Fit, is all fitness related on that channel, so go check that channel out. But this channel is just all secondary random stuff I like to post. I like to do sometimes on my spare time when I get the time to do it. So if you like what you see, like and subscribe to the channel, Big Market Adventures, and we will see you on the next adventure, guys. Take care.